Right now, welcome back to another broker comparison video. We are currently standing with MWALI, the clear winner from the last video, but stay tuned because today we have got Hugos Way trying to beat our winner. Now, before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes. Right now, once again, I said MWALI were the winner. I have gone over MWALI a couple of times. I will briefly go through the benefits, etc., that you should look out for as a trader in the financial space. But before we jump in, thank you very much for the comments down below. Hugos Way was selected, but make sure you comment down below and I'll put it in the next video for you. Okay, so once we get into this, right at the very front, you can see regulated, licensed, secure, trade and invest the effective way. Going down, again, I've said it before, with the spreads is very important as a trader, because with the spreads, it means where you're going to get entered into the market. So when you press buy, it will move your trade that many point of a pip, for example. Okay, so this also covers every single sector in the financial space. So you've got your majors, your crosses, your exotics, indices, energies, cryptos, EU shares, US shares, and also your metals for you gold traders. Okay, as we go down the account funding. Okay, so with EnviFX, this has been a big winner for a lot of people, and I can see it in the comments as well. They do the debit, credit, and bank deposits. Not only that, but they also do deposits directly with crypto. Now, obviously, not everyone has crypto in the financial space, so having a debit card is a big option and a big winner for a lot of you. Okay, so quick withdrawals, you can withdraw straight back to your bank as well, or you can withdraw your funds with crypto. Now, some of the other reasons to trade with MWALI is you get your market expertise, your EAs, market insights and analyst tools. There's also a passive income. So if you have a community or a network that you've got, you can share this platform and build a passive income. Now, I know for a lot of you in the comments, etc., this has been a big win as well, because everyone wants that passive income. You need multiple income streams to be able to grow in this world for sure. Okay, so not only that, but you get revolutionary technology. They have one trading platform and multiple opportunities, and you can trust them because it's offer traders the safest trade environment around. Okay, so as we go down, we can see that they have a risk disclosure, terms, conditions, and their PAM terms and conditions. So it's nice and simple. MWALI is nice and clean. They have everything on their homepage that you need to look out. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Hugos Way. And this is actually a new broker for me, so I'm not completely familiar with these. So that gives me a little bit of a worry to start with, because sometimes there's brokers out there, if you don't know completely, then you need to be a bit wary. But as we can see here, nice clean setup, nice clean desktop. They've got FX True ECN broker, so you can trade Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks with up to 1 to 500 leverage. Now, that's good, 1 to 500 leverage for sure, because it means that you can trade with more capital. So say if you've got $1,000 in your capital, it gives you the leverage of trading 500 times that. Okay, so if we go down, we can see that they have a 10 minimum deposit. They've got their leverage, 0.01 minimum lot, 55 currencies, 73 stocks, and 38 cryptos. Okay, so if we go down to the cryptocurrencies, okay, so they've said they've got 38 currency pairs with a leverage up to 1 to 100. They've also got tight spreads, low commission, expert advisors allowed, lightning fast execution, and start trading with a minimum of $50. Okay, so they also segregate client funds, risk management, and a tier 1 banking. Okay, so with Hugos Way works closely with its payment service providers to ensure fast and flawless deposits and withdrawals. Okay, so you can create your live account today. So let's just try and find out, their funding method. So if we click on funding methods, we can see, okay, so this is completely Bitcoin only. So you can't deposit with any other crypto, and you can't deposit with your bank or credit card. Okay, so what we're going to do is just take a look at what trading assets they actually do. Okay, so it looks like it covers all the ones that Envi does as well. You've got your crypto, your energies, futures, FX crosses, exotics, majors, indices, metals, and stocks. Okay, so you can trade 4 pairs of metals. So you have got your gold in there. That's good. You don't have your gold pro, but that's not relevant for a lot of people anyway. Okay, so if we look at their about section, hopefully they break it down for us. Okay, so the institutional grade liquidity from top banks, 24/7 client support, STP execution. Right now, that was the comparison of MWALI versus Hugos Way. Now, let me know down in the comments your opinion and what you think was the winner from this. And also, like I said at the beginning, comment what broker you want me to do next. Now, for me, and to summarize, I think MWALI has grabbed this one again. Not only did they have in big bold writing at the very front, they're regulated and licensed. I can't find that on Hugos Way. Okay, so And also with Hugos Way, it's a lot of digging for you to find out different bits and pieces. I'm not saying they're a bad broker. I'm just saying EnviFX grabs it for me. And one of the big points is that they highlight what spreads they offer. I didn't actually see any spread information on Hugos Way. And also the fact that you can deposit with credit or debit card straight from your bank and withdraw straight to your bank as well is going to be a big major boost for everyone out there that doesn't have crypto or gets a bit confused by the crypto transfers, because obviously I know with crypto, if you send it to the wrong wallet address, you've lost that forever. But do me a big favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.